2022 Genesis G70 cabin filter is located behind the glove box here. First step is going to be disconnect the damper on the side here. All you got to do is grab it and pull it. Disconnect it like this. Take out these glove box stoppers. There's two of them. Turn it counterclockwise, and then it will release them. The glove box will come down. This door here is what holds the cabin filter. Left side here, pinch these, pull the door right off, okay? This side doesn't work like that. It uses an insert. You can pull out the cabin filter. Now notice on this cabin filter that it has an airflow direction. That would be down. When you get your new filter, make sure you install this the exact way this one comes out. If you need a filter, check the description box. I have a link that takes you there. Okay, so this one's pretty dirty. I don't have a new filter. I'm actually going to recommend this to my customer that he replaces it because this one is pretty nasty. You can see how brown it is. Okay, but I will shake it out for him. And then when you get your new one, just slide the new one in like you just took this one out. Right side in first. And then just plunk. Go ahead and put the glove box back. You're gonna need two hands to do the stoppers. And then the damper, it just snaps right back on and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could.